As we get older, I think a lot of us start paying more attention to what we're putting into our bodies. I've been trying to make healthier choices, not because I want to be perfect, but because I want to take a better care of myself. My brother and sister-in-law were actually the ones who found these back to nature crackers, and I'm so glad they did. I've always enjoyed crackers like Ritz, but I wanted to try something a little different. What I like about these is that they're made without artificial flavors or artificial colors. They're also non-GMO project verified, and they still have that crunchy, satisfying taste that I look for in a snack. Sometimes making healthier choices doesn't mean giving up the foods you enjoy. It can simply mean finding another option that works better for you. For me, these have been a great alternative when I'm craving crackers. I'm thankful for my brother and sister-in-law who introduced me to these because they've become one of my favorite snacks. And yeah, guys, this is what what I want to talk about is that cracker, the Back to Nature cracker. It looks like Ritz, but it's more healthier for you, a healthier swap to eat if you are wanting to eat more healthier snacks. I recommend you trying Back to Nature healthy crackers. They have other stuff that Back to Nature has, and I will talk about it in the future videos. But let me know, you guys, if you guys tried Back to Nature or if you found a healthier snacks that you like. Leave me a comment below, and this is pretty much the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.